Hey y'all, hey! We're back with another Mane Monday. It's your girl Chris Vaughn, aka CrysTheArtist. Y'all heard me trying to flow. And today on Mane Mondays, I'm basically just gonna walk you through how to take my frizzy hair after experiencing some rain, which is so funny because a couple of weeks back I showed you guys, or I told you guys, my top 5 tips on how to avoid your silk presses from reverting. And I'm just gonna walk you through it and show you just about how long it takes. It takes me right under 20 minutes to re-straighten my entire head, and that was with me talking, so I do speed it up some just so you're not sitting here for 20 minutes watching me do the same thing over and over again. But I give you some tips and some tricks on how to make sure you're powering through and make sure that you do not have heat damage from it. And I talk a little bit about what's going on with my hair as I'm transitioning. I'm almost done. So I'm almost a full-fledged naturalista, and I'm looking so forward to it, and I kind of give you some insight on that as well. I hope you guys enjoy it, and thank you so much for tuning in to Mane Monday. I am just kind of really quickly flat ironing my hair. I went and saw Bruno Mars in Dallas, and unfortunately it was raining and cold the entire daggum time we were there. Yay. So my hair reverted, and if I had time I would not do this step. I actually would put a little silk serum in there and wrap it and get under a dryer. But I don't have that kind of time, so I'm going to, I don't have that kind of patience, I should say. So I'm just gonna real quickly go back through here. It's not, my flat iron is not on super high. It's probably like 3 something, and my hair requires about 410 to be straightened from when it's in its natural blowout. And essentially this is kind of the stage it would be in if I had just blowed it out. So yes, Bruno Mars is phenomenal. If you have not had a chance to see him perform live, you definitely should put that on your bucket list. He was great. I gotta get out of here, so I'm trying to be diligent about it. And another reason I'm only doing this is because I'm gonna shampoo my hair tomorrow too. So I was gonna put like product in it and stuff and make like a ponytail, but I couldn't find my ponytail. It's just a lot happening, and I still need to look like something, right? So here I am. I don't know if you had a chance to check out my video on how to avoid your hair from frizzing back up, which is funny because one of them is to avoid moisture, and I happen to be in like a 24/2 because it was raining the 2 days we were there, non-stop situation. So, but if you like, you can check that video out. If you're watching YouTube, I'll have it linked. If you're watching on IG, you can scroll a little back and see that video in which I give my 5 tips on how to stop your hair from frizzing up after you've made it silky straight. I'm gonna let the music play. I'm gonna speed this up and just let y'all enjoy. Show you how to revive my hair with this flat iron. And it's not gonna be long. I don't know if I'm gonna speed it up. I kind of want y'all to see real time how long it's taking me to do this. Okay, I'm not taking super short small sections again or anything like that. I'm just going in and straightening out this hair. Y'all can see kind of where my relaxer ends are still, for those who have been with me as I've been transitioning. funny when I'm doing these videos because it's like I don't know what to say. I have to remember my lens is over here and not over there today. I don't know what to say because I'm in here by myself, right? So it's like, what do you say to the audience that's watching that would keep them engaged when you're in a room by yourself? Like, if people were to walk by, they might think I'm crazy because I'm just sitting here talking, la 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 la, you know? So, I never know what to say to you guys. Apart from what I'm doing, I mean, and this is flat iron, it's very repetitious. Almost there. I said November I would do a big chop, but I want to keep a certain look. So we'll see in November what I'm looking like. It's almost November already, so we'll see what I'm looking like and if I'm gonna actually do a whole gone, just get rid of what's left, or if because it really won't be time for me to get my ends trimmed again until December. So I might hold off and just wait till December and do the chop. But in case you're wondering, because everybody was asking me, I don't foresee myself going back to a relaxer anytime soon. I'm very satisfied with what's happening with my natural hair. I'm very satisfied with how it feels. I'm pleasantly shocked at what's happening even as I'm transitioning. So I am looking forward to what will, you know, be the case 3-4 months after maybe even 6 months, you know, after I completely transition. Because you know those straight ends weigh your hair down. If you don't know, the straight ends weigh your hair down, so it weighs your curls down. So you're never getting a real read on what your curls look like when you're transitioning. And so don't be misled by that and think your curls do this, because they really don't. So they really don't, you know. So that is something to definitely be mindful of if you're transitioning, is that this is not a true feel for what's going to be happening when your hair is fully natural. Color it, comment, let me know. Tell me what color you think I should do. Like I said, I really am feeling these like fall copper colors, like with the blondes and stuff in there. But I don't know. I've done like reds and purples and blues and all of that. So it's like, do I really want to like, I don't know if I want to like do that again. So I'm at 19 minutes and I'll be finished. I'm probably gonna put like some finishing stuff to get rid of these flyaways, but apart from that, boo, she free. But yeah, I'm probably gonna give me some image control to get that together, and get rid of the flyaways. But 1950 is how long it took, and yeah, I think this is going to be the look. Again, I hope you enjoyed it. If you have a topic that you'd like to see featured here on Mane Mondays, simply email me at ManeMondays@gmail.com. And until next time, I'll see you guys next week, because I said every Monday, right? Right. Thank you again. Love you guys. Bye.